since I like to do a little DIY projects and assemble a lot of furniture pieces, I had to find something that was compact, that was durable, and did the job for me. And I found this Vigrue Cordless screwdriver. It has 7 torque settings, it's pretty powerful, 2-position handle, built-in LED light, so you can see a little bit better. It has 45 accessories and a flexible shaft for those hard to reach spots. It's perfect for home repairs. I do a lot of furniture assembling and electronics. It's compact, powerful, reliable, a must-have for your toolbox. I do want to add that the battery is very long lasting. Once you charge it, it will last you for a while to do all your fun projects that you have.